Speed of DC motor can be changed by various methods, but most prominent method is pulse width modulation. So today in this project we are going to change the speed of DC motor with the help of pulse width modulation. Duty cycle increasing, the speed of the motor is also increasing. As simple as that. So this is your DC motor and this is the LCD on which you will see the duty cycle, and this is the microcontroller which is ATmega 328. Basically this is Arduino. So we have taken out the microcontroller from the Arduino and place it over here. You can directly use Arduino as well, and this is your potentiometer through which you can provide analog data to the microcontroller, and accordingly the pulse width modulation will be applied, or you can see duty cycle will be applied to the DC motor through this transistor which is tip 122, or you can say TIP 122. Okay, the description you can directly go to the website circuitbazaar.com as well to study this article, or if you want to buy this project, or if you want to get this project. So let me just explain the working. So right now 0% duty cycle I am going to increase, 10%, 14% it started running, duty cycle increase, 19%, 22, 21, 23, 24, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 46. You can see as the duty cycle increasing, the speed of the motor is also increasing. As simple as that. 100% duty cycle and motor is running at full throttle. Now decrease the speed of the motor, 49, 45%. So this is how speed control of DC motor you can do with the help of pulse width modulation. If you want to download the data of this project like code, circuit diagram, theory, you can go to the website circuitbazaar.com. For that you can click the link given in the description below, और आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दिए, वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है, और you can also get this project by the website circuitbazaar.com. Thank you.